Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Eye Sensitive Alcohol Sensor with Auto Core Ignition Disable Function using AT89S52 microcontroller IC. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output, and it gives to AT89S52 microcontroller development board. And here we are using MQ3 alcohol sensor connected to the P2 cap 7 GPIO pin number. Red LED and green LED, those are connected with P3 cap 7 and P3 cap 4. So port to 0 connected to the 16x2 LCD display, and one driver IC, engine, and one driver IC, and one alarm P1 cap 3 and P1 cap 4. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. So it connected to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 780 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply board, reset button, AT89S52 microcontroller IC. So total 40 pin IC, 4 ports, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, port 0 connected to the 16x2 LCD display, port 1 cap 3 and 1 cap 4 connected to the alarm and motor. So here 11.0592 MHz crystal, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 2.7 connected to the engine, MQ3 alcohol 7, port 2.7, and one red LED and one green LED connected to the P3 cap 7 and P3 cap 4. And that is coming first. High sensitive alcohol sensor with auto car ignition disable function. No alcohol, green LED on, and engine on. Now I am taking some sanitizer or alcohol based sanitizer. So I am giving the door. Okay, so now I am showing to alcohol sensor, then red LED on, alarm on, red LED on, alarm on, green LED and motor should be off. So it is alcohol detected. So once alcohol detected, red LED and alarm should be on, green LED, motor should be off. So then you need to restart the kit. Eye sensitive alcohol sensor, auto ignition car disable function. No alcohol, green LED, motor should be on, no alcohol, red LED, alarm should be off. So now I am showing the alcohol detected, red LED, alarm should be on, green LED, motor should be off. Thanking you. And this is our block diagram, and this is our hardware kit board. So alcohol detected, must and should, you need to restart the kit again. So this is the reset button, crystal oscillator, 8089S52 microcontroller IC, 1K resistor, 10K resistor, 10K resistor, 10K resistor. This is these two 1K resistor. This is BC547 transistor. I'll be buzzer, piezoelectric buzzer, and DC motor, and MQ3 alcohol sensor, one green LED and one red LED, 16x2 LCD display. Okay, alcohol based sanitizer. Thank you.